Hello, everyone. I'm Misty Flowers, your instructor for 6193, and I would like to welcome you to Week 1, the impact of motivation on reading. After completing each of the assigned learning activities this week, you should be able to define reading and understand the components of the reading process, understand the responsibilities of the teacher in building and activating schema in reading comprehension, identify and apply the reading skills, thinking strategies necessary for success in all content areas, investigate the use of book clubs and/or literature circles in content areas, and understand the impact of book clubs and literature circles on interest and the motivation to read. Your tasks for this week are first to view the instructor introduction video, which is found under the instructor assignment announcements on Moodle. Introduce yourself using the introduction forum on Moodle. And also share what you most hope to gain from completing this course. Read chapters 1 and 2 of the Daniels Zemelman text and review the PowerPoint and the activities for Week 1. For the PowerPoint responses, you will be creating a Word document to respond to questions and prompts found within the PowerPoint. All responses on this document that will be submitted on the PowerPoint response link for Week 1. Assignments must be submitted no later than Saturday at 11:59 p.m. First response is to introduce yourself to the class. The second response is select the topic of your dyslexia strategy lesson. Third response will be the topic of your research paper presentation. You will sign up via the Sign Up Genius on Moodle for your research topic. Response 4 is your definition of reading. And the fifth response is to explain how you would use the book pass strategy in your future classroom. The sixth response, which is the final one, is to explain the purpose of literacy circles and how they work in the classroom. Again, these responses are due no later than Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Discussion forum. Your response should be between 250 and 500 words, posted no later than Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Your initial response is worth a maximum of 10 points. You must also respond to the posts of at least 2 of your classmates by no later than Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Responses made to the postings of your classmates should be at least 150 words in length and will be worth a maximum of 5 points each. So your discussion forums are worth a maximum of 20 points. Your initial response should use appropriate scholarly sources to support your statements and include APA in-text citations and references as needed. The number of points received will be reflected of the overall depth and quality of your responses, total word count relative to the required minimum amount for each discussion forum post, and adherence to the weekly deadlines for discussion forum postings as noted above. Week 1 forum. Present a new or interesting idea that you feel will improve your teaching based upon your reading of chapters 1 and 2 of the Daniels Zemelman text. And again, your initial response should use appropriate scholarly sources to support your statements and include accurate APA in-text citations and references as needed. Your responses to the posts of your classmates will be less formal and should be crafted to foster further dialogue. As such, please respond to your peers by name and with questions that require reflection, and responses in return. Here is my contact information. Please don't hesitate to email me. I want you all to be successful in this class. Thank you.